The team behind Melbourne Murals, Brigitte and Melissa Turner, teamed up with local Bunurong artist Brianna Webster to deliver this stunning piece in April and May of 2019, launched to coincide with National Reconciliation Week. One of the most memorable murals on the tour, Flower Girl depicts a heartwarming story of a multicultural nation coming together. The piece depicts a girl holding a bouquet of vividly coloured flowers. Dawson and Turner intentionally painted the bouquet covering the girl's face and a skin colour between white and brown in order to conceal her identity. In doing so, the girl's identity becomes open to the interpretation of each individual viewer. She has the potential to be anyone, regardless of age, race, or facial features. In this sense, Flower Girl is all of us, a multicultural community thriving together in peace. The pattern on the dress, designed by Webster, speaks to a sense of community and the land on which Frankston stands. The half circles represent people sitting around a fire, the circle in between, telling stories and listening to elders. Again, the spirit of coming together is proven to be a central theme in this piece. The wavy lines represent the waterways in the land, meeting as they do in the Frankston area. This 15-metre tall mural was completed with the collaboration of Bayside Shopping Centre and the Bunurong Land Council.